Be taking over. So he's slightly very methodical and systematic. Unlike me, I only do talking. He do only the gyan part of it. So over to you, Tiwari. And anything
तो प्रोसेस का पूरा करवाएं या नहीं देती हैं अपने
जो आपको करना है, जो बच्चों को समझना है, जिसको जो सवाल पूछने हैं, if you have to ask any questions, please ask whatever you want. We will try to answer to most of the queries because many queries will be out of the syllabus. In terms of you might be having many questions for which we will not be having answers. So we will try to do that whatever we can do. So please ask questions. First of all, he will give you an overview of what you are actually doing. You understand that whatever you want to ask, please take a note so that there can be 100 questions, but out of 100 there will be 20 questions which will be repeated. So what are the bullet points? Keep on noting. Once he is through with his complete orientation, then you can ask questions one by one so that there is no confusion and overlapping and no wastage of time because there is a second lot of your other team members who will be waiting once you people are through.
our production during TV. We are using two types of LED TV part. First LCM liquid crystal module and second other. So this and this part, totally complete part, we say LCM liquid crystal module. So in liquid crystal module, this part open cell and this is the polarizer sheet. This is a diffuser sheet and this part reflector sheet and this part is LED bar. First of all, we will fix LED bar and screwing properly. Then fix reflector sheet properly and match corner to corner. After we will dust clean and fix diffuser sheet. Then polarizer sheet. After that we will fix open cell. Now this part we can say LCM liquid crystal module. In open cell, this part is color PCB. This PCB is color PCB. And this part is separate T-con PCB. We will fix here this type and now signal going. LCM part produced in different line and TV produced in different line. For LCM production, we have to we want a clean room area, right? Zero dust free area properly. Otherwise, if we will produce in this type of area, so we will found multiple dust particles inside of the open cell, which can affect our picture quality. Little dust particles can affect our picture quality. So due to this reason, we are producing LCM parts in different area, dust free area. After LCM, we will produce TV in our this line. Because now our LCM complete, we have to fix main board, speaker and switch part for complete TV assembly. So main board we are using multiple types like CVT, Video Scat, Hiking, Kit King, many manufacturers for main board. So each board different part number, like SP code for Video Scat, HK Hiking, CVT code, TP. You can easily observe through part number. And same type open cell. Open cell manufacturers multiple like BOE, LG, HKC, CHOT, CSOT, AUO, Inolux, multiple manufacturers manufacturing open cell part. This part. Open cell in our TV 70% cost depends on open cell. In 30% other parts like main board, speaker, power cord and LVDS and all connectors. All are depend in 30% and 70% cost depend on open cell. In our TV, if our open cell will be broken, so total cost can reduce. Because open cell you cannot purchase fresh stock in open market, because it is a depend on China, and you cannot sell a single part of open cell in local market due to government policy. You can sell after complete a TV or only module. You cannot sell only open cell. So due to this reason, 70% cost depend on open cell. So mostly customers or dealers can destroy that TV in open cell if damage found. And other parts can cannibalize from TV and use in service part like main board, speaker. Same in remote, multiple loop-wise remote we found BT, common remote and DBoS remote, Kaizen, multiple types of remote control. So nowadays three types of operating system in our market. First, Android, DBoS using by LG. DBoS operating system is LG, and Tizen Samsung operating system. Android common market operating system. Actually, but DBoS not a LG. LG already customized according to their UI user interface. But DBoS also working in Android, like Google. Same Tizen operating system purchased by Samsung. Samsung also customized according to Samsung requirement. But Tizen software also works through Android. So Android is the main operating system. but as per requirement we can create our software separately. In OpenCell we have three types of technology. First HD, FHD and UHD. HD lowest, FHD mid-range and UHD latest. In HD our picture resolution can 1366 into 768 resolution. FHD 1920 into 1080. UHD 3840 into 2160. So three types of panel, three types of resolution. Better quality we have to purchase 4K, but in 4K nowadays maximum format not possible in market, because 4K for 4K visibility we have to purchase 4K format movie or anything, so that we can proper entertain. If we have HD and we want to play 4K, so pixel can be spread. Picture quality cannot be better. So we need to, as per picture quality, we will use OpenCell. Same sound manufacturer two types, but for better quality we will use Sennweiss make. Omega and Bud Audio also manufacturing speaker. So speaker alignment can be possible through frequency, like low frequency.